So in the last video, we have discussed about Entra ID Join. Now let us see Microsoft Entra Hybrid Join. So what is Hybrid Join? Used when you have on-premise Active Directory infrastructure already in place. We already have Active Directory in place. In such scenarios, we use Hybrid Join. Devices are already domain joined to on-premise ADDS. Like how we, as an administrator, we will be joining our laptops to a Active Directory. It is already joined. Same devices are simultaneously registered in Microsoft Entra ID. Then it becomes Hybrid Join. Enable cloud services without removing existing on-premise AD setup. We will be in Hybrid Join. We will be enabling the cloud services without removing the existing on-premise AD setup. That is what Entra Hybrid Join. Why Hybrid Join is used? Keep existing on-premise AD setup intact. Enable Microsoft 365, Intune, conditional access. To enable that, we required Hybrid Join. Single identity for users and devices across both environment. If you do not have this Entra Hybrid Join, then cloud, there will be a separate account. On-premise, you will be using a separate account. Single identity for users and devices across both environment. If you required, you have to join your device as Entra Hybrid Join. Common in enterprise and banking environment. This scenario is very common for the enterprises and banking environment. Let's see the supported operating system for Entra Hybrid Join. First one, Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 8.1. Home editions are not supported for Entra Hybrid Join. Server 2008 R2, 2012 R2, 16, 19, 2022. It is maybe 2025. This is I have taken from the documentation. The documentation 2025 is not mentioned. I believe that document might have not updated. It should be supporting 2025 also. I'm not sure about that. We will have to verify that again. Anyway, 2022 support. Older versions, down level devices, older Windows need additional configuration to join it as Entra Hybrid Join. Microsoft Workplace Join tool is required. Tool must be installed manually, used for non-Windows 10 devices. Anyway, important limitation. One AD forest can sync to only one Entra tenant. Consider you have different AD forest in on-premise that you cannot connect. Multiple forests cannot connect to a Entra tenant, to a single Entra tenant. Hybrid Join will not work with multiple tenants. Hybrid Join will work only with a single tenant. Whereas registration, Entra ID registration will work with multiple tenant. Because it's your personal device, you can register your personal device in multiple tenant. Whereas Hybrid Entra ID Join will work only with single tenant. Must be checked during the planning phase, because we have to be checked during this planning phase for the Hybrid Entra ID Join. What are the reasons to use Microsoft Entra Hybrid Join? You have Win32 apps deployed to these devices that rely on Active Directory machines authentication, because we may be having some legacy application which is running on your on-premise Active Directory. That is, authentication is happening from AD. For those legacy application, you cannot upgrade that, or you cannot use. There will be certain dependency with that application. In that scenario, you have to choose Microsoft Entra Hybrid Join. You require group policy to manage some of your devices. In that case also, Entra Hybrid Join is required. You want to continue to use imaging solution to configure devices for your employees. These are the reasons to use Microsoft Entra Hybrid Join. That's all about the theoretical area of Entra Hybrid Join. Now let us see how we can sync, how we can join the machine as Entra Hybrid in the cloud. Now let us discuss about the practical side of Entra Hybrid Join. We have to do certain configuration to join our device as Entra Hybrid Join in Entra ID. Once if it's synced, it will not directly show there as Entra Hybrid Join. For that, for the devices to show there in the cloud, first we have to configure them Azure AD Connect. Let me right click and click on and run as administrator. Once we right click and run as administrator, you will get this welcome Microsoft Entra Connect sync. Click on configure, and here you can see configure device option. Use this task to configure device registration, hybrid Microsoft Entra ID join, and synchronization, and device write back. So let me select this option and click on next. With this device management in Microsoft Entra ID, you can ensure that users are accessing your resources from the devices that meet your standards for the security and compliance. Hybrid Microsoft Entra ID join. Enable the devices in your Active Directory for us to register with the Microsoft Entra ID for access management, and it is giving us, they are giving an overview here. Let me click on next and connect to the Entra ID. Here you will have to provide the global administrator username and the password, and MFA to be provided. Device option, configure hybrid Entra ID join. Click on that, click next. Windows 10 or later domain joined devices will be registered there, will be joined there. Let me click on next. And I have run this multiple times as part of creating videos and doing it. So that's the reason it run much faster. So these settings you have to do to register, to see your devices in cloud as hybrid Entra ID join. And the other thing, it should be in the part of the syncing OU. See, all the OUs will not be syncing to the cloud. We will be, again, let me just show you in Azure AD Connect. You have an option to customize what OU to be synced in the cloud. Here, if you click on configure and custom synchronization option, you can consider, you can tell what OU to be synced in the cloud. I will show you that right now. As you can see here, you can mention what OU to be synced in the cloud. So the device OU which we are planning to sync in the cloud, which we are to join Entra Hybrid Join in the cloud, that OU should be under the syncing OU. Only then, and when we run the device option in the Azure AD Connect, when both are there, devices will be start showing here in the Entra Admin Center as Entra Hybrid Join. So see, once if we complete it, device will be showing here as Entra ID join, but still Intune enrollment will not happen. For that we have to do in Intune, we have to do the Intune automatic enrollment. Then here it should get an honor. When a user logging the next time, when the user log into the laptop or desktop the next time, it will get an honor, and if every configuration is ready in Intune, automatically this will move to Intune for enrollment. If the automatic enrollment is enabled in Intune portal, then these devices will start show there as they will be enrolling there in the Intune. Those things we will see in the coming videos. Presently, let us focus on Entra Hybrid Join. That is all about Microsoft Entra Hybrid Join. The remaining part we will see in the next session. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet in the other video. Till then, goodbye.